Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, May 18th, and you guys know what time it is. Let's jump into the prices of these cryptocurrencies. So basically, we were trading flat up until yesterday in all cryptocurrency markets. Let's jump right into Bitcoin, which is at $9,848, up 3.51% from yesterday. Ethereum having huge gains, up 7.2% at $215.64. Dash up 2.8% at $78.04. And Litecoin doing surprisingly well at $45.84, up 5.6%. Let's dive a little bit deeper into Bitcoin and see exactly what happened in the last 24 hours. You can see here we were trading flat at about 9,500 and then it surged up to 9,800, getting rejected at about $9,837 and then jumping back down to about 9,700. And last night, we almost touched 10,000 at $9,911. That price also got rejected and it's been dancing at about 9,800 ever since. This was completely unexpected to me. I honestly thought it was going to hit that $9,900 threshold and then dive back down, people cashing out with their long-term positions. Don't forget to join us later today when we cover the top news articles written in the last 24 hours so that you guys can stay up to date on everything in the cryptocurrency world. Don't forget to like the Facebook page, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we will see you guys later today.